Hello, everyone. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for today's video. And today I am just coming to you all to show you how to make a stretch bracelet. Now, this video is for those of you who are new, those of you who are just getting started on your, I'm going to say, craft journey. When you first start out, okay, a lot of times when we first start out, we think we need to have everything together as far as our beads, and that is not the case. You can make a very beautiful bracelet with any type of assortment of beads, okay? It really doesn't matter. The beads can be smaller or larger. The size of the beads doesn't even matter. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet using all variety of beads. Okay, I have some acrylic beads in here. I have some glass beads in here. Some real small beads in here. I have a charm. I don't know if I'm going to put this on or not. But a charm that I made. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. This is just to let you know that you do not always need matching beads to make a really cute bracelet. You can use any assortment of beads that you have. So this isn't a bead that I have that I purchased from Michael some time ago, and this is pretty large. It's an acrylic bead. So that bead is going to be pretty much my center bead. And then I'm just going to build around it. So because everything is in different sizes, my beads are in different sizes, I'm going to be going from pretty much my right to left, left to right. Okay. That's what we have so far. Now I'm going to come over on this side, and I have another bead that is pretty much the same as the first one that I put on, and I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. And then I'm going to put another one of these really small. These are 3mm beads. They are really tiny, okay? They're very, very small. And I'm just putting them to space out my beads. And we're gonna see how this go. And then I'm just gonna add on another bead. And you know, the one thing that I am finding on my crafting journey is that most people really do not like their stretch bracelets to be too big. You actually want it to be a little bit bigger than, you know, than to have it fitting, like really fitting your wrist. Okay. So like I said, I am alternating sides. I'm going from one side to the next side, to the next side. So now I'm over here. So now I'm gonna go back over here, and I'll put on this white one. And whichever bead I decide to use at the end, now I'm coming over here. Now, let me see. I don't even think that this is going to be, it might be, but this is what we have. All right, I think I'm gonna go with maybe I'm gonna do one more on this side. And I'm gonna go with, I guess I'll go with this one. And then on this side, I might already be at my max. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it. I don't think I really need to add any more. And this bead right here has a really large hole, so that will make everything, let me see, once I tie it up. I'm just trying to see. All right, I think I am going to put one more bead. And I'm gonna put it, and I got two of these here. So I'm gonna put it over on this side. So I'm gonna add that there. And then I think I'm gonna go with this one. Or actually, I could go with this one. Whoops, let's see. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have. And now I'm gonna go ahead and tie it off. And let's see. Most of the time when I do this with tying it, I tie it about a few times, between 2 to 3 times. And if the bead, if the hold is big enough on the bead, if the hold is big enough on the bead, boop. If the hold is big enough on the bead, I said it correctly, then that will go through. So I'm gonna take and come here and just boop, just like that, and pull it right on through. See that? It went right on through. All right, and that's your bracelet. And I really could have actually put one more in there, but this is good. And you still have a little room. And that is it. So that's what this looks like. This is really pretty. I love the colors. And as you can see, none of the beads here went together. Like, and what I mean by that is a lot of these beads that you see here are from a bead mix that I previously had. And when you put them all together, you get something really, really unique and different and pretty. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me. I could put this on, but I didn't bring anything, but maybe in my next video I might add that. So please make sure you like, please make sure you share, because sharing is caring, and give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate y'all taking out the time to watch these videos, and y'all have a wonderful day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.